Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I just wanted to do a quick video. Again, this is for PAC since we are getting down to our deadline of May 31st. And I wanted to show you the PACcore wallet. It has been like this for about 24 hours, I believe. So I want to again stress to you to get your PACcore wallet up and moving and running so that it can do whatever it's got to do, so that we will have enough time once it's done so that we can do our redemption within the by the May 31st deadline. So make sure you give it enough time to do whatever it's got to do. I had the PACcore wallet on my computer before. Unfortunately, let me show you. When I went to see down here where the lock is locked, I went to go up here and click here, and you're supposed to be able to encrypt it. I think I had done that already, and then I went down to click unlock wallet, and when I inserted what I thought my passphrase was, it wasn't. It didn't go through. And I tried about 5 times, and then I thought maybe I changed it. Now mind you, I did this back in March, so I don't remember, but anyway, so I contacted the support team at PACcoin.net, and they said just go ahead and delete it and get a new wallet, which I did. And so get this out the way. So before I did that, this said 10 hours. Okay, now it's saying 20 hours, and it's been saying that for over 24 hours. So anyway, I just wanted to impress upon you to go ahead and get this out of the way. Give it enough time, whether it's going to be 20 hours or 40 hours or whatever it's going to take. Make sure you get this out the way so that we can get your redemption completed. So I just want to do this video for you. All right, everyone, take care. If you have any questions, put them in the chat, and hopefully we can get all this stuff taken care of. If anybody else is going through this in terms of this PACcore wallet taking so long for it to get synced up with the blockchain, let me know, and we can kind of compare experiences. All right, thanks so much. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.